India is called the land of rivers. Mighty rivers such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada, and Brahmaputra flow across the country. But do you know that every year, billions and trillions of liters of fresh river water flow into the sea, where it becomes saline? So, what is the solution? The Government of India promotes rainwater harvesting. However, rainwater harvesting is possible only during the 2 to 3 months of rainfall each year. And even then, only a limited quantity of water can be stored. But if we adopt river water harvesting, a large portion of the enormous volume of river water that continuously flows into the sea can instead be stored by constructing wells along both sides of the rivers. Through underground aquifers, this water can spread across the country, helping restore rapidly declining groundwater levels nationwide. As a result, every farmer, every household, and every industry in India could have sufficient water available throughout the year. Countries such as Australia, Israel, and the United States are already using similar systems successfully. Most importantly, this would not place an excessive financial burden on the government. Organizations such as Rotary clubs, Lions clubs, social trusts, and corporate companies could support the construction and maintenance of these wells through their CSR funds. If this plan is implemented effectively, India's GDP could increase by at least 25%. The agricultural sector would experience rapid growth, industries would expand, and the standard of living of every Indian would improve. River water harvesting is not merely an idea, it is a national mission to secure India's future.